Right, I thought, you know what? I should show you how to put these in. It's very painful, but this is how it's done. So here we have pinch pleats, but they're upside down. And I thought, you know, while I'm doing this, let me show you how I do it. So can you see there's a mark? Right, so I've made some pencil pleat. No. So I've made some pinch pleat curtains. There they are, upside down. And there's some more around the corner here. I've made them. And I'm now putting the hooks in before I go to the customer's house. And I thought to myself, you know what? Maybe I've never shown you this before, so let me show you. Can you see there's already one in there? Right, now this is very painful when we do this. Right, so I'll try doing this with my left hand. So I've marked out where I want it, and what I do is I stab it and push this right up. Now it is painful. So it's in there now, and there are the pleats at the front. Right, but what I do is, on the track itself, because all tracks are different. So can you see, where is it? Can you see the distance from the top of this to here? So I measure it, and then it's trial and error. And on this one, it worked out that I have to put the first marking 4 centimeters down in order to get my hooks and the pleat right underneath it. So let's hook one in and I'll show you exactly what I mean, if I can do it with one hand. All right, so I've got one in. Now what happened here is, if you do that and push it under, it's completely under the track, and that's what I want. Now the reason why it's going under the track is because it's got swags going on top, so it doesn't need to be up there. And if you do put it up there, you will form an extra pleat when it closes like that. Now that's because it's in wrong, and it's because of the track that's been used. So that's what will get that extra pleat right there, but we don't want it. That should go right the way back in, and then when you look at your pinch pleat curtains, you see pleats all, this is difficult to do with one hand, all lined up like that underneath the track. And because there is something going on top of it, the main purpose of that style is that when it's pleated going down, you see a uniform of pleats going down that stays for years on end. Here is your update. As you can see, there is your curtains. The tops are done. This one here is your living room patio door, and that one is the other side of it. This one will be finished tomorrow. This one here is your living room, small window, and this one is the other side of it. That one over there is the other side of the window as well, the small window in the living room. So this is the living room section with all this one here, and this one here is the dining room. They're all paired up, by the way. That's the dining room, and this one is the hallway. So tomorrow the curtains will be finished, God willing, if no interruption, and then I'll get on with the swags. So this is your update.